Here's a little quick tour of the Hilton Home2 Suites in Kansas City KU Medical Center in Kansas. So when you first come in the door, there is a almost full-size fridge with a large enough refrigerator and a freezer. We have dishes, microwave, sink, regular amenities, and some kitchen utensils and a dishwasher. That's freaking cool. And then there are some silverware, crockery, colander, and a toaster, and a cutting board. The bathroom's pretty standard, towels, sink, a bath soap bar, and the amenities are from a pump, so no stealing hotel stuff, and it's better for the environment, I guess. Our stuff is kind of all over, but we have 2 comfortable beds, a couch, and little side table area. The outlets are kind of cool, so there are USB plugins by the beds and everything, so that's nice. TV, and then a little closet with a luggage rack and hangers, ironing board, that kind of stuff. That's an AC unit with the heat, and we had breakfast today. I'm checking right about to check out right now. This was waffles, yogurt, random other things like English muffins with sausage and omelets and cereal, that kind of thing. So yeah, not a bad stay. It was 30,000 Hilton points to stay here, and free parking, so that was a plus. That was the main thing. But yeah.